Dave, a PG chemistry student and the convener of this international symposium of IPR. Distinguished guests, estimated speakers, faculty members, and fellow students. Welcome to the International Symposium on Intellectual Property Rights, a landmark 3-day event organized by the students of the Shivaji Science Innovation and Incubation Center. It is my absolute privilege to welcome you all today. This event is uniquely defined by a core philosophy, by the students for the students. We believe that the future of global innovations lies in our hand. And today we are gathering not just to learn, but to build a bridge between our classrooms and the global intellectual property landscape. We are honored to have brought together an incredible international networks featuring over 200 participants from across the globe and institutional collaboration from the National University of Science and Technology, Zimbabwe, Busitema University, Uganda, GS Tombe Arts, Commerce, Science College, India, and Kamala Nehru College, India. Over the next 3 days, we will be diving deep into the foundation of IP law through 3 expert-led sessions. Ms. Andilo Sazizo from NERST, Zimbabwe will demystify the critical framework of copyright. Professor Mary Wanjiru Kinoti from the University of Nairobi, Kenya will provide a roadmap for navigating an innovation ecosystem. Dr. Payal Thore from the RTMNU University, India will guide us through the historical and legal development of patent law in India. This event is more than a series of lectures. This is a commitment to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. By engaging with this topic, we are actively contributing to SDG 4, quality education for broadening our academic horizons, SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure by understanding and the legal protection necessary to foster creativity, and SDG 17, partnership for the goals, by strengthening the bond between our global institutions. I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our principal, Dr. O.S. Deshmukh, sir, for his visionary leadership and for granting us this opportunity, and to Dr. Sarang Dhote, sir, in charge of Shivaji Science Innovation and Incubation Center, for his constant mentorship in making this student-led vision a reality. To all our participants, thank you for joining this global dialogue. We are excited to learn, share, and grow together. Let us begin.